Hello children, now I am going to do few sums from 21B. Let I am doing question number 13. A right circular cone, height 3.6 centimeter, radius is 1.6 centimeter. It is the data of cone. Then it is melted and recast into a right circular cone with radius of, okay, first we will find out volume of this cone. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. I am not putting pi value, I am keeping this one. 1 by 3 pi r square is 1.6 square into 3.6 centimeter cube. Then the next part is giving to you. It is melted and recast into a right circular cone with radius, new cone. Radius is, it is 1.2 meter. Let the height is h. So according to the question, I'll write 1 by 3 pi r square, 1.2 square into h, that is equal to 1 by 3 pi 1.6 square into 3.6. 1 by 3 pi can be cancelled. So h is equal to 1.6, I am removing the point, 16 by 10, 16 by 10, 36 by 10, this is 12 by 10 into 12 by 10. Can be cancelled. 12 3 ja 36, 4 4 ja 16, 4 3 ja 12. This is 64 by 10, this is 6.4 meter. Now I am doing children question number 16. Question number 16. The height of a cone is 640 centimeter. It is height is 40. Then a small cone is cut off. A small cone is cut off. This is small r, this is capital R. Cut off by plane parallel to its base. If its volume be 1 by 64 of the volume, so I have to prove that EF, AEF is similar to ADC. Why? Because A angle is common, AEF angle is equal to ADC. This is corresponding angle. Therefore, triangles are similar angle property. Okay. If the triangles is similar, we have to take their proportional parts is equal. This angle opposite is EF, and which I am taking small r, I will write small r. Its angle in the bigger triangle, it will be opposite is DC, which is capital R. Let this height is h, I will write h by 40, because original height is that one. This is the first relation. Then the question is giving its volume B. Its volume means the new volume is, according to the question, 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square 40 which is 1 by 64 of the given volume. Hence, I'll write 1 by 64. 1 by 3 pi, it can be cancelled. Now, r square by capital R square into h, that is equal to 40 by 64. Instead of r by r, I'll write h by 40 square into h, that is equal to 40 by 64. Now h square into h cube, that is 40 into 40 into 40 by 64. 8 5 ja, 8 8 ja, 8 5 ja, h equal to cube root of 5 into 5, I can write 5 into 8. So, I'll write 5 into 2. So, this height is 10 meter. Then the question is giving at what height above the base of the section cut out. So, what is this height? So, ED is equal to, total height is 40. Which one we are cutting? That one is 10. Hence, it is 30 meter. This is the answer. Then, I am doing now question number 18. From a cylinder, from a circular cylinder, a cone is, it is giving diameter is 10, diameter is 10, height is 12, height is 12. A conical cavity of the same base and same height is hollowed out. Find the volume. Volume of the remaining part will be volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. Put the formula. That will be, your answer will be in terms of pi, therefore I will keep that one, pi r square h minus 1 by 3 pi r square h. As r and h is equal, I will write pi r square h common, 1 minus 1 by 3. This is pi, I will not put because question is giving, in terms of pi you find out. Height square, height is 12, LCM is pi 25 into 12 into 2 by 3. 3 4 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8, 8 into 25, that is 205 centimeter cube. Now, you have to find out the whole surface area of the remaining solid. So, surface area is curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi r h plus curved surface area of cone pi r l, circular part of this part. But I don't know L, I have to find out L. This is, so I'll write L is equal to square root of r square plus h square. That is 5 square plus 12 square, which is equal to 30. Now, I can write r is common. Therefore, children, I'll write pi r common, 2h plus L plus r. Pi, r value is 5, 2 into h 12, L value 13, r value 5. That is 5 pi into, that is 24 plus 13 plus 5, that is 5 pi into 42, this is 225 centimeter square. One more question I will do. Question number 20. A cone of maximum volume is carved out of a block of wood. Question number 20. Volume of wood, length into breadth into height. That is 20 into 10 into 10. That is 20 into 10, 200. This is 2000 centimeter cube. Volume of the cone, 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi, 22/7. R is 5 into 5. Height is 20. In this case, which height is more, that one we have to take it. Then it is 5 5 are 25, 25 into 2, 50, 500, then 22, 11,000 by 21. What is that value? It is coming, I have to find out. This is, this one I am cutting. 21 into 5, 105, 5, 0, 11 2 ja, 21 2 ja 42. Then this is 10 minus 2, 8, 0, that is 21 3 ja 63, 17, point will come 8. So then you remove 523.8 centimeter cube. Question is giving, find out the volume of the cone carved out, correct to 1 decimal places. That is, this is the answer. Okay? Thank you, children.